Let's understand that what is in for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and which are the levels that you should be watching out for. And let me welcome Nooresh Mirani as well as Kunal Bothra on the show right now. A very good morning, gentlemen. And Nooresh, firstly, help us with your take. What do you make of Nifty 50? Because 22,500 is what we have scaled past. But do you believe on an intraday basis today we should be able to sustain that?
So I would expect it to sustain, and we are setting up for a test of that 22,800 mark over the next few sessions. And once we sustain about 22,800, we can call a recovery in place and maybe look a little higher. And the last 3 days recovery is along with the breadth being good across mid caps and small caps. And we are seeing good price volume as well in a lot of stocks. So for now, we get into a new range, which is basically 22,200 to 22,800 for now.
Kunal, hi, good morning. Does it seem like the rebound is going to last? Because today we don't have global support.
Yeah, no major global support, but I would still believe that the setup over the last 3 days indicates that there's been blend of short covering, trimming of short positions on individual stocks, on indices, and then there are a few sectors as well as stocks which have actually started to look attractive in terms of the relative strength. So, we were discussing extensively banking, financials, but then you have the metal stocks which have started to look very attractive. Many of these metal counters have come back about their long-term averages and now showing signs of reasonable strength for themselves. Then you have real estate pack which is looking attractive. You have the PSU stocks which have seen a good amount of short covering. So there are a lot of these underperforming names which are making a comeback. The only two sectors which are still underperforming largely are the autos as well as the FMCG when you look at it as an overall basket. So maybe I think we could probably expect that the second round of short covering could happen to these names. But all in all, I would believe that the market texture should remain positive. We should be looking at least 22,800 to 23,000 mark for the index in the next 1 week.
Okay, looking good on the upside, Kunal.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.